I'll be showing you how to replace a laptop screen for a Sony laptop. If you look on the bottom, that'll be your model number. You want to use that model number when ordering a new laptop screen. If you don't, you may get the wrong screen. It may not work for you. So the first thing you want to do is unplug it and take the battery out. And then the tools you're going to need are a small screwdriver and an X-Acto knife or something similar. Just going to be used for prying. If you're going to start, you'll see 4 black pads that surround the screen on each corner. There'll be little pads just like this that stick to the screw head. You're just going to pry them off with your knife. Next, you'll see 4 screws in each one of those holes. Just use your screwdriver and pull those out. And then you should be able to pry this black border piece off. You may need your X-Acto knife to do this as well. Just be really careful when you're doing it so you don't break the plastic. Alright, once you get that piece off, you'll see 4 more screws that surround the actual screen portion. Again, they'll just be really small black screws. Just use your screwdriver again and take those screws out, and then your screen should be able to fall out. Don't pull it all the way out yet because there's a pretty sensitive connection right at the bottom here that you're going to want to use your knife again, peel this little sticker up, and then unplug it, and then your screen is removed. Alright, next there's a small screw right down here I took out. Not sure what it does, probably just a ground wire or something, but I took that out just so I'd have a little bit more maneuver with this cord to try and get it plugged in correctly. So this is the new screen. Comes with a protective cover on it. I recommend leaving that on until you get it all hooked up. But you should be able to just slide this in just like it came out. Hopefully. Alright, I think that's in. So next, just going to replace this screw. Alright, once you get that screw in, you should be able to start screwing the screen back in. When you're putting the screen back in, you'll see 2 holes on each one of these flanges. And once you put it in, it's pretty easy to see, but that's how you know it's in there correctly, because one of these holes will be filled by a little rod that sticks out, and the other one will be the screw hole. For the sake of time, I'm just showing you screwing in the first and the last of the screws. But you want to make sure you get all 4 screws in on the screen. Now would be a good time to remove the screen protector. Just peel back the pieces of tape. Alright, and now you're ready to put on the plastic cover. Alright, should snap in all around. Alright, and you're ready to put the last 4 screws back in. And again, it'll be 1 on each of the corners. Alright, just about to put in the last screw on the cover here. Just want to show you something. That little blue on the end of the screw is called Loctite. It's just kind of like a glue that holds the screw in and keeps it from coming back out. If you want, you can just add a little bit to the tip of there, just to make sure everything stays tight. You should be able to find it at any hardware or auto parts store. Alright, and lastly, if you want, you can take these little rubber pads and just take a little bit of glue and stick them back over the screw heads again. Alright, and your installation is complete. Again, this is for a Sony laptop. The model number is SVE14118FXW. And thanks for watching, and just to let you know, I'm not very smart on computers, so if I can do this, I'm sure you can too. All you need to do is be able to use a screwdriver.